Hi students, good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we are going to see a new grammar topic, noun. Okay, see. So today we are going to see a new grammar topic in parts of speech, noun. Okay, see, in parts of speech we have 8 kinds. Did you know about that? See, so parts of speech means what is that? So it is a parts of sentences. So if we speak any sentences means we can use many words to make a sentence, isn't it? Yeah. So in that sentence we have many words. So that words are classified into many parts. That only called parts of speech. Okay. So in that parts of speech we have 8 kinds. So in that 8 kinds, today we are going to see one topic, noun. Clear? See, in that parts of speech, 8 kinds are there. What are the 8 kinds? Do you know that? See, it is noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these are the 8 kinds of parts of speech. So day by day we can use many words in English, isn't it? So these words are classified in those kinds only. Yeah. So in that kinds, today freshly we have started to know about new topic, noun. What is noun? Noun is a naming word. What is naming word? See, noun that denotes a name of a person, place, things or animals or an idea or thought. Okay, so that is the noun. See, for example, we can use many things in our home, or otherwise we have an individual name. See, for example, I am Geeta. See, I am Sivakumar. I am Ravi. See, like that. Everybody have an individual name, isn't it? Otherwise, we have many states, many countries, many animals, many birds, many things. For example, in our home, we took door, window, pen, pencil, phone, and then television and mat. So like that, many things we use day by day. Yeah. So these all the things are under the category of noun. Okay. So in that noun classified into 5 kinds. So what are the 5 kinds of nouns? See. So the 5 kinds of nouns are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Okay. So noun that classified into 5 kinds: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. Okay. So in those 5 kinds, today we are going to see only 3. So what are they? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun. So those 3 things only today we are going to see in detailed manner. Okay? Yeah. So shall we move to the class? Okay students. Shall we start now? Hi students. Good morning to everyone. Welcome to our English grammar class. Today we are going to start a new grammar topic, noun. See, so this noun is under the category of parts of speech, isn't it? Okay, so what are the parts of speech and what are the 8 kinds of parts of speech are there? So first, what is parts of speech? So parts of speech is nothing but we have many words or many sentences in an English language. Yeah. See, if you are using to say something to another person means you are make some sentence. So the sentence contain many words. Yeah, many kinds of words. So that kinds only we are dividing these parts of speech. See, so parts of speech means that contains 8 parts is there. So what are the 8 things? Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. So these 8 things only are parts of speech. Okay. So in that parts of speech, today we are going to see a topic noun. So one part only, noun. Okay. So what is noun and what are the kinds of nouns are there. So these things today we are going to see in the detailed manner. Okay. Yeah. First, what is a noun? Nouns are naming words. The name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. See, so noun. What is a noun? Noun is the name of a person, place, animal or thing is called a noun. So noun that denotes a name of a person. See, for example, name of a person means, so all of you have a individual name. Yeah. See, for example, my name is, see your name, for example, Shiva and Radhika, Pooja, Rajesh. See, like that your name is there. And place. So we have many places: beach, park, school, theater, mall, restaurant, and then country, state, districts, city. Yeah. And next, animals. So we have many animals in the world. Yeah. Birds, animals, and then things. So things means we are using many things in the from today onwards we are using many things day by day. Mobile phone, book, pen, pencil, TV, and a washing machine, mixie, grinder. See, like that. Dresses, that also we just used in daily manner. Yeah. Okay. See, so these all the things are considered as a noun. So noun is an naming word. It denotes a name of a person. So one person's name. Okay. And then name of a place. So one particular place name. See, for example, country means India. So India is a country. So that India, that word is a noun. Next, animal. Animal, cat, dog, elephant, tiger, lion. So these all the words are a noun. Next, thing, pen, pencil, book, note, mat, telephone, water bottle, and then window, door. So these are all the things. So nouns is a name of a person, place or things or animals. Okay. See, name of a person. So name of a person means, what are the name of a persons here? Pooja. So Pooja is a one particular girl's name. Rajesh, that is a one boy name. Yeah. Next, boy, girl. See, Pooja. Pooja is a one girl name. So otherwise, Pooja is a beautiful girl. Like that we are saying means Pooja, that is a noun. And then, for example, this girl looks very beautiful. Like that we are saying means this girl. So in that sentence, this girl. So the girl, that is placed as an noun. Okay. And then boy. So if you are using the name of the boy, otherwise we are normally or commonly said the boy, any boy. Okay. And then policeman, doctor, teacher, officer, farmer, plumber, scientist, salesman, journalist. So like that all the professionals. So that also is under the category of a noun, name of a person. Okay. And next, see the examples. The boy enjoys music. The boy enjoys music. In this sentence, which is a person? Which word is considered as a noun and which is a person? The boy. So boy, that word is considered as an what? Yeah, name of a person. Okay. Next, music. Music is a thing. Next, a good plumber can fix any sink. So in this sentence, we have two nouns, plumber and then sink. So plumber, that is the name of a person, and sink, that is the name of a thing. Okay. And next, APJ Abdul Kalam was a great scientist. See, APJ Abdul Kalam, that is the name of a one person. Yeah. So that is also a noun. And then scientist. So scientist, that is also a professions of any particular man. So that is also considered as a noun. Okay. Next, name of a place. So place means we have many places in the world. Yeah. See the examples: school, park, temple, bus stand, police station, India, London, Namakkal, house, zoo, post office, bank, park, beach, and Trichy, China, Africa, America, Kerala, Karnataka. So these all the things also is an place only. So if the names comes means that is considered as a noun. Next, see the examples. We saw many animals at the zoo. See that? So we saw many animals at the zoo. So zoo is a one particular place. Yeah. So the place. So that is called as a noun. Next, the farmer is in his farm. The farmer, that is also a noun, and farm, that is also a noun. But farmer is a name of a person and farm is the name of a place. Yeah, are you clear? Next, mom took us to the park to play. See, mom is a name of a person and park, that is the name of a place. Are you clear the difference between the name of a person, name of a thing and name of a place? See next, name of the animals and birds. See, we have many animals and birds in the world. Camel, alligator, jackal, cheetah, deer, hippopotamus, rhinoceros, leopard, monkey, tiger, lion, peacock, flamingo, parrot, eagle, ostrich, crane, sparrow, swan, like that, etc. So many animals and birds are there. Yeah. So these all the things also under the category of noun. Okay. Yeah. See the examples here. Alligator's eyes are covered with scary skin. So in this sentence, alligator, so that is a noun, name of an animal. Next, hippopotamus is the third largest African animal. So hippopotamus, so that is the name of an animal. So it's under the category of noun. Next, flamingo has a habit of standing on one leg. So flamingo, that is an bird name. So that is the category of noun. Next, name of the things. So things means already I said many examples here. See that: man, mat, comb, mirror, table, cupboard, chair, knife, sofa, lamp, clock, mop, ladder, bicycle, bus, book, needle, pen, pencil, mobile phone. So these all the things is an considered under the category of noun. Are you clear? So nouns means it denotes a name of a person, place, animals and birds, and then things. Are you clear? Okay, see the example. Mat is used to sleep. So in this sentence, mat, that is a thing, so that is a noun. Next, that sofa is more expensive than this table. So in this sentence, we have two noun, sofa, that also thing, and table, that also thing. Next, he is a bus driver. So in this sentence, bus, So bus is a noun and driver is also a noun. Bus is a name of a thing and driver, that is the name of a person. Okay? Yeah, next. So in that nouns we have many types, 5 common types. So what are the 5 types? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. See that? So what are the 5 types of nouns? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun and material noun. See, so now we are clearly know about the proper noun. See proper noun. What is proper noun and what is common noun? Okay, see proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun. Example: John, Mary, England, India. See, so commonly we are said that noun. Noun means it's a name of a person, place and things and animals, isn't it? Yeah, so we have the types of the nouns are here. See, proper noun. So what is proper noun? Proper noun means it's nothing but it is a specifically if you are explain about one person or one place or one animal means that is considered as a proper noun. See the example here, John. John is a particular one boy name. Yeah. Next, Mary. Mary is a particular one girl name. Next, England. So particularly we said about one country, India. So India, that is also a one country, isn't it? Yeah, so particularly, specifically if you are saying about one person or one place or one thing or one animal means that is known as proper noun. Okay? Next, common noun. What is common noun? Common noun means example: car, tree, man, woman, school. See for example, tree. So in this world we have many kinds of trees, isn't it? See, for that commonly if we are said tree means we couldn't understood what kind of tree is telling about here. Yeah, so that tree is a common noun. For example, car. Car, we have many kinds of car, many variety of cars are there. Yeah. So here car only normally we are saying here. So in that car, that is a common noun. Next, man. Man, woman, school. So man means it's not a one man in the world. We have many men and women are there. Yeah. Yes. So that man, if normally we said man means that is a common noun. Woman. ஸோ பொதுவாக சொல்லுவோன்னு சொல்கிறோம் இல்லையா, ஸோ அதுதான் பொதுவாக சொல்கிறது. பர்டிகுலரைஸ் பண்ணி சொன்னால் அது ப்ராப்பர் நவுன் அண்ட் பொதுவாக சொன்னால் அது காமன் நவுன். சி நெக்ஸ்ட் கலெக்டிவ் நவுன். Collective noun is nothing but group of person or group of animal or group of things we are used to say, that is called collective noun. See the example, colony. So colony means it's nothing but a group of families living together. So that is called colony. Next, bunch, flock, herd. So bunch means bunch of keys. See for example, bunch of keys அப்படின்னா என்னன்னு சொல்லுவோம் நம்ம தமிழில், சாவி கொத்து. ஸோ நிறைய அந்த இடத்துல கீஸ் வந்து ஒன்றா சேர்த்து வச்சுருக்கிறது bunch of keys. Yeah, so that is a collective noun. Next, flock, herd of animals. So herd of animals means அந்த ஆட்டு மந்தை சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா, நிறைய ஆடுங்க அண்ட் மாடுங்க எல்லாத்தையும் சேர்த்து சொல்கிறது, அந்த குரூப் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த குரூப்பை சேர்த்து சொல்கிறது தான் herd of animals, like that. Okay. And next, so collective nouns means it's a group of people or group of animal or group of thing. Next, material noun. So material noun, it's nothing but metals. For example, gold, silver, wood, paper, clay. So with these things we used to make many other things. See, gold means we are using with the gold and make many things. See, earrings and stud and many bangles and some necklaces like that, yeah, and gold vessels also. Next, silver. So silver means also we are using this silver to make many things. Next, wood. So with the wood we make door, windows, table, chair, and then some toys, yeah. So the wood, table, chair, that and all not a material noun, but wood, so that is a material noun. Next, paper. So with the paper we make many things. And clay. So with the use of clay we used to make many toys, yeah. So the clay, that is a material noun. Next, abstract noun. So what is abstract noun? So abstract noun means it's nothing but it's an emotional and then it's a feelings about something or some persons. Happiness, sad, truth, honesty, bold, brave, good, bad, sad, weakness, and then happy, strong, strength, truth, lie. See, so these and all we can't see with our eyes, we can't touch, we just only feel, isn't it? So it's a feeling words or emotional words. So abstract noun means it's nothing but it's a feeling or emotions or ideas, okay. So our nouns that can be divided into 5 common categories: proper noun, common noun, collective noun, abstract noun, and material noun, okay. So in that 5 things, today we are going to see the 3 things only clearly, that is proper noun, common noun, and collective noun, okay. See that. First, proper noun. What is proper noun? Proper nouns are the specific or particular name of a person, place, animal, and thing. See, already I explained. Proper noun means it's nothing but specifically if you are saying any person's name or any place name or any animal's name or any things means, that is known as proper noun. Proper noun is always capitalized. See, so that is the important thing, most important thing. That is, if you are writing any proper nouns at any sentences means, in that proper noun always starts with capital letter only, okay. So that is the important thing. So proper nouns always comes with the capital letter. So don't use any small letters for this proper nouns. See, for example, if you are writing your name in a sentences, see, I'm Geeta, like that your right means Geeta, G, always you are using that capital letters only, so not in a small letters, isn't it? Yeah, see, so proper nouns always starts with capital letter, okay. See, examples. Diya. So Diya is a one particular girl name, yeah. Next, Raj. Raj is a one boy name. Mount Everest, that is one of the mountain, yeah. And next, Delhi. So Delhi is a one of the place name. Next, tiger, one of the animal, yeah. So here given the specifically particularly saying about one person or one thing or one animal's name, yeah. So that is known as proper noun. See, the Gangas is a holy river. See, we have many rivers in the world, yeah. Here specifically they denote about the river Ganga. So the Ganga is an proper noun. But in this sentence, river, that word also is there, that is also a noun. But that river, that word is a common noun. Are you clear? So we have many rivers. Specifically we said about the Ganga, so that the Ganga is a proper noun. Next, I bought a Sony mobile. See, we have many mobile companies, very varieties are there, isn't it? Apple, Samsung, and then many kinds are there. But here they tell about the Sony mobile. I bought a Sony mobile. Specifically, they denote about one kind of mobile. Yeah. So that is a proper noun. Okay. Next, the Taj Mahal is one of the 7 wonders. So Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a particularly 7 wonders. So 7 wonders means it's a one of the wonder. So that is the specific name of a one particular place, one thing. Yeah. Next, the tiger is a national animal of India. See, tiger. So tiger is a one animal, one kind of animal. So that is a proper noun. Next, George. George bought a pencil. George is a one boy name. So here given a boy name specifically. So that is a proper noun. Are you clear about what is proper noun? Yeah, specifically if you are saying any about person name or place or any things means that is known as proper noun. Okay? Yeah. Next, common noun. What is common noun? I already said common noun, that is used to say the common things. See, a common noun is the general name of a person, place or thing. For example, if you are saying I stayed in a city. See, city means we have many cities in the world. Yeah. Yeah. So I doesn't explain any particular city name. Commonly I said city. So that city, that word is a common noun. Okay? See, common noun is not capitalized unless it either begins a sentence or appears in a title. See, for example, common noun it's not starts with capital letter. Proper noun always starts with capital letter, but common noun not in a capital letter. If it is come in the beginning of a sentence means used to write with a capital letter. Okay? See, examples: boy, town, bag, flower, men, city. See, boy. Boy means we have many boys. Yeah. So here commonly they said boy. That's all. So that boy is a common noun. Next, town. Town means we not have one town in the world. We have many towns. Yeah. So the town is a common noun. Next, bag. Bag means many variety of bags are there in the world. So here we said commonly bag. Next, flower. Flower means many kinds of flowers are there. Yeah, jasmine, lily, rose. Yeah, like that many flowers are there. So commonly we said flower. Okay. Next, men. Men means it's also a common. We doesn't expect any particular name of a person, any boy name. So that is a common noun. Next, city. So city means also like town. Yeah. Next, see the example sentences. Bangalore is a large city. See, in this sentence we have proper noun and also a common noun. How you say about this proper noun and also common noun also come here? Bangalore is a large city. See, Bangalore. So Bangalore is a name of a particular city. Yeah. So that is a proper noun. But city. So city, that word if we are taking means that is a common noun. Are you clear what I am saying? Yeah. Next, Parker is a beautiful pen. See, Parker, that is one kind of a pen type. Okay. And then pen. So pen, that is a common name of a pen. Yeah. Yeah. So Parker, that is a proper noun, and pen, that is a common noun. Are you clear? Next, my brother is a doctor. See, so doctor means we have many specialist doctors is there. Yeah, heart specialist, eye specialist, and ENT specialist, and neurologist, cardiologist, like that many kinds of many variety of doctors are there, but commonly said doctor. So that is a common noun. Okay, next, Akash saw the animals in the zoo. See, animals, so commonly we said animals. So animals means we have many animals are there. Yeah, tiger, lion, elephant, giraffe, and cat, dog, like that. So common they said animal, so that is a common noun. Are you clear about the difference between proper noun and common noun? Okay. See, next, bird flies in the sky. Bird, so bird means we have many birds, dove, peacock, and then cock, hen, and eagle, and crow. So we have many birds, but commonly say bird, so that is a common noun. Next, collective noun. So what is collective noun? Collective noun means a collective noun is the name of a group or collection of persons, animals, or things. So group of a person or group of animals and things, so that is known as collective noun. Okay, see that example, people. See, person, that word is denote as one person name. So person அப்படிங்கிறது ஒருத்தரை மட்டும் சொன்னால் நம்ம பர்சன்னு சொல்லுவோம். people அப்படின்னா many group of people. ஸோ நிறைய பேர் சேர்ந்து இருந்த ஒரு கூட்டமாக இருந்தாங்கன்னா நம்ம என்னென்னு சொல்லுவோம்னா people. crowd, ஸோ crowd அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு யூஸ் பண்ணுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ crowd அப்படிங்கிற வேர்டு எதில் வரும் அப்படின்னா collective noun. ஓகே, team. So team means that that contains 3 or 4 members. So one team means 3 or 4 members. Next, bunch. So bunch means 2 or more things is there, 2 or more keys, like that. Next, members. So members means a group of persons are combined together, so that is a members. Next, herd. Herd means a group of animals. Next, colony, group of families. Next, litter. Litter means a group of animals. See, I have seen a litter of cubs in the zoo. See, if you have said a group of lions means we used these words, litter of cubs. Okay, and next, a bouquet of flowers. See, bouquet means it's always contains many category of flowers. Yeah, it's a group of flowers, so that is we are using the word the bouquet of flowers. Yeah, so that is a common collective noun. Okay, and then my father bought a bundle of books. So books, so bundle of books, many books are there means we are using to say bundle of books. Okay, next, I saw a bunch of grapes. See, grapes and திராட்சை கொத்து அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம் இல்லையா. ஸோ bunch of grapes, ஸோ ஒரு திராட்சை மட்டும் இருந்துச்சுன்னா என்ன சொல்லுவோம், கிரேப் அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். ஸோ bunch of grapes அப்படின்னா அந்த திராட்சை கொத்து. ஓகேவா. நெக்ஸ்ட், I saw a crowd of people in the city. ஸோ crowd means many people are there in a one particular place, many group of people, so that is crowd of people. Okay, so these words are considered as a collective noun. So do you know about the proper noun and common noun and collective noun? Are you clear about the difference between those things? Okay, so compared to in this those things, you have a worksheet today. So you have to complete the worksheet in today itself with clear manner. Are you clear? Yeah, see, once again I will explain you. Today we just discussed about noun. So noun is one of the category of parts of speech, isn't it? Yeah, so that noun, what is noun? Noun is a name of a person, place or animal and things. So these nouns are divided into 5 kinds. So what are the 5 kinds of nouns? Proper noun, common noun, collective noun abstract noun and material noun. Okay, so in these 5 things today we just clearly know about the proper noun, common noun and collective noun. See, what is proper noun? Proper noun means it's particularly or specifically if you are saying about any person names or any place name or any animal name or any kinds, any type of birds or animals, many things means that is known as proper noun. Okay? Yeah, so proper noun always starts with capital letter. Okay? Next, common noun. What is common noun? See, the common name of a person or place or animal or thing. For example, school. School means we have many schools. So, every school have a individual name. Yeah. So, school, that is a common noun. Next, city. City is a common noun. Town. Town is a common noun. Country, river, mountain, village, tree, flower. So that is a common word, common noun. Next, collective noun. What is collective noun? So collective noun is exposed about the group of animals, group of birds or group of person or group of things. If you are using to say about the group of person or animals or things means that is known as collective noun. Are you clear? Okay. Shall we move to the worksheet, students? See, so in this worksheet you have 4 Romans. Okay. So what is the first Roman? Look at the underlined nouns in each sentences. Write if the noun is a person, place or thing. One is done for you. See that? So here given the picture. So using the picture you have to write it is a person or place or animal. For example, the shop is opened on Sunday. Shop. Shop means that is a place or a person or animal. What category is that? You have to identify what category. Okay. See, the answer is place. Shop as a place. Next, the car was in front of the house. So car. So car is what category? Person, place or thing. Have to write the answer in the dash. Next, he was going to catch the ball. So ball. Ball is underlined word. So the ball is which category? Person, place or thing. Next, he left his bag at the school. So school is a place or animal or a thing or person. Next, I got 2 books from the library. So library, what kind? Person, place or thing. So you have to write the proper answers in the given dashes. Okay. Next, second Roman is circle the nouns and complete the following sentences using the nouns from the given box. See, so in that box we just given the noun and also a verb. So combinedly we give a noun and a verb in the box. So you have to select the noun first. After that you just write the proper nouns for this given sentences. See, in that box I just read this word sister, run, chairs, floss, sit, garden, piano, green, Sarah, fast, sad, cat, pizza, friend, table. See, in this sentence we have nouns and also a verb. Are you identify that? Yeah, so you have to identify the nouns first. After you write the proper noun for the given sentences. Okay. See, this is my dash. Her name is dash. I like to eat dash. My pet is a dash. Fourth one, I like to play the dash. Fifth one, there are 4 dash near my dash. Next, the dash smell are so good in the dash. Okay. Yeah. So in the given upside box we have nouns and also a verb. First you identify the nouns, after that you write the proper nouns. Okay, next, identify the following pictures and write whether it is common noun or collective noun. See, here given the pictures for you, so first you identify the pictures and then you have to write it is a common noun or a collective noun. Okay, see, band of singers. See, collective noun means always comes with a plural form. Okay, see, band of singers. So band of singers is a plural form. It's a group of person, group of singers. So if it is common noun or collective noun, you write it in the dash. Okay, next, teacher, homework, lunch box, bundle of books. So you have to write the proper answers. Okay, next, fourth Roman is write the suitable proper nouns for the following common nouns. So here given the common nouns, you have to write that any kind of proper noun. Boy. See, boy is a common noun. For example, if you want to write the proper noun means you have to write any boy name. So any kind of boy name you write means that is the answer here. Okay, like that. State. State is a common noun. So we have many states. So in India means we have 29 states, isn't it? So you have to write any state name. Next, month. Month means we have 12 months. So any one month you have to write here. Next, movie. Movie means we have many kinds of movies are there. Have to write any kind here. Next, holiday. So holiday means we have many holidays, national holidays. Yeah, okay, so you have to write any holiday here specifically. For example, Pongal holiday or Diwali holiday or Puja holiday, like that. Okay, yeah, so here given the common noun this side, you have to write the related proper noun for the given common nouns. Okay students, yeah, are you clear about the noun topic today? Yeah, so you just complete the worksheet with correct manner and send it your answers to your class teachers. Do well students. Thank you to all.